Big ass drum.
Got brakes.
I don't know.
Brakes work.
That's good right there, ain't it? You can roll the rest of the way? Yeah, I'll roll the rest of the way. I can't eat the Pringles and full cars too.
Yeah, one or the other.
Can't eat my Pringles and full cars too. Oh, it ain't even lunchtime. God, these are salty. We got her home. Got her home. Anyways, this is the 87, we think. We forgot the titles.
And this thing is a gem.
It is a gem. You know, besides the typical Comanche rust in the floorboards,
Yeah.
everything else is really, really nice.
The body's solid.
Solid.
This thing came from the factory with no power steering,
No power steering.
no AC,
No, whatsoever.
4-cylinder,
4-cylinder.
2-wheel drive.
5-speed. 4-speed.
Yeah.
4-speed. The other one's a 5-speed.
This was probably a $4,000 or $5,000 truck when it was new.
Yeah, at least like brand new. The MPGs in this baby right here
Mhm.
probably sucked, I imagine.
But this
Bench
is,
seat, yeah, that's right.
yeah, black interior.
I've never seen black interior on one of these.
Pretty cool.
What are we gonna do to it? Well, I mean, like I said, everybody voted on it. Y'all wanted to say right-hand drive Comanche. So I guess we're gonna see if we can build a right-hand drive Comanche. We'll see, anyways.
Yeah. So yeah, what are we calling this thing?
Well, I think we're gonna go with Survivor, or what was the other one they said yesterday?
I remember Survivor.
Yeah, well, was it Survivor, Transplant?
Yeah.
There was another one that somebody said. I don't know. Y'all help us out. I mean,
Yeah.
This is going to be the right-hand drive Jeep lives on, sort of say.
So we're going to be moving the axles, the whole engine,
Everything.
transmission,
I mean,
transfer
everything.
case.
We're going to move the
The
whole
dash.
wire harness, the dash. Forgot about the fuel pump, so I guess we'll burn that bridge when we get there. I don't know how that's going to work. I mean, we might just end up putting the fuel cell in this thing. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to move the dash over. We're going to have to move the firewall over.
Yeah.
The firewall on these are, they're special for a right-hand drive and a left-hand drive because they're molded differently. Nothing like that can interchange. And
You're still tossing around the idea of going full hydro.
still tossing around the deal going full hydro. Speaking of which, anybody who has a right-hand drive that would want a pretty sweet deal in a hydro assist right-hand drive gearbox and everything to make it hydro assist, I mean, we've got it for sale. Everything's pretty much, besides 2 or 3 rides, brand new.
Yeah.
So if so, just hit us up in the comments or send us a message, and we might strike a deal. Because I think we just might go full hydro on this. We're going from a 97 platform down to an 87 platform, 87, 88 platform. So you know we got a good 10 years difference in this. So I guess we'll see what happens.
I think right now the biggest debate is 96 or back front end or 97 and newer front end. What do y'all think?
Yeah,
What do you want to see? I'm a 96 and back guy.
I'm a 97 and up, so
It's his Jeep, so
yeah.
y'all got to convince him to keep it a 96. And the chrome, you can't get rid of the chrome.
No, I don't think I'm gonna get rid of the chrome.
Door handles, the drip rail, the windshield trim.
I don't think I'm gonna do that. We're gonna have to get some chrome mirrors if we do that.
Yes, we're ready. We're excited to get started on this thing.
Yeah. Let us know what y'all think. I mean, what would y'all do? What would y'all change? What would y'all add? You know, we're always open to ideas and things like that. But other than that, we're gonna start by washing it first, and then assess the rest of the damage on it, and go from there.
All right, y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video, and maybe we'll see you out on the trail.
See y'all.
We need a good thumbnail.